Hello together, my name is Jonas. I'm working for Electronic Assemblies Development Team. Today's video tutorial is going to be about unpacking the quick start box of the uniTFT series. Today's topics are unpacking of the demo box, installing the drivers and tools for the uniTFT series, opening the first sample project and download it to the module. Now we want to unpack the uniTFT. Let's have a closer look at the content. There's the display module, two small boxes with accessories like power adapter, USB cable and a disk including driver and tools. When we take out the display, we see a small PCB called Quick Start board and the uniTFT with capacitive touch panel. On the back side of the module we can see the display connector for the touch and other components like master controller. To start, we need to install the drivers and need the other accessories, so we take out everything. So let's install the drivers and tools. We find everything on this small disk here. We wait for the autorun to start. Seeing the overview web page, we go to uniTFT, QUICKuniTFT, and download the tool uniTFT Designer for installing. After the download has finished, we start with the setup of the uniTFT Designer software. We click on Next, accept the license agreements, and select the destination location. We want a start menu entry and a desktop shortcut as well. Of course, we need to install the USB drivers as we want to download our projects to the module. With this short summary, we are ready to install. We wait till the installation of the designer has finished. Here we have the install of the USB drivers. We start the installation and accept the Windows signature information. Close the driver installer window and we are ready to run the uniTFT designer. For the first path, we want to start with an example. We see a huge list of projects that explain the different functions of the modules. There's a short explanation text and a screenshot for each of them. On the mouse hub event, a short video of the project is played. I think we start with a nice menu demo. The project opens and we see the surface of the designer. We really only want to see the project in the simulator, so we press on the little icon or use the shortcut F6. The simulator represents the real hardware and we can play around a little bit with the mouse. So after looking into the simulator, we want to see the whole project on the real hardware now. Let's set it up. We start with the power adapter. We have to select the correct socket. We need the European one. And then we have to plug it into our quick start board. We see a small demo showing the whole functionality of the uniTFT. but we want to see our project. So So we have to connect the USB cable and download our project to it. Just press this icon or use shortcut F5. So after the downloading process, we can see the whole demo the same like in the simulator. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial about unpacking the quick start of the uniTFT series. Maybe you have time and play around a little bit with our sample projects and enjoy our other tutorials.